Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming something a little different. I'm going to be filming a makeup look. Yeah, this is happening. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming another makeup look. And this makeup look was inspired by the new trailer for Detective Pikachu. So if you would like to see what I create, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I'm starting off this look as I usually do by just taking some concealer and using that as a base for my eyeshadow. And as per usual, I have an idea of what I want to do, but I've never done it before. So this could be a complete disaster, which wouldn't surprise me, but I'm gonna go for it anyways. So I think I'm gonna be mainly using this palette right here. This is the Yes Please palette by Colourpop. And as you can see, it just has a lot of yellowy golden shades that obviously I'll be using because Pikachu is yellow. In case you didn't know, hence this turtleneck right here. Thought I would just go all out for it, try and dress like head to toe in yellow, minus my purple hair. Couldn't really do too much about that. So I'm gonna start off with a more orangey shade and just start putting that in the crease. My idea with this is that I want to do a cut crease, a yellow cut crease, and kind of some fun graphic liner. That was terrifying. Hey, fun fact, I've never done either of those before. So I've watched a lot of tutorials on how to do cut creases before, but I mean, we'll just see how it goes. Now I'm just gonna take one of the deeper orangey browns and also put that in my crease. So I've always wanted to do a yellow eye look, but I mean, it doesn't exactly make sense to be doing this in the winter time. I really wanted to, and then when the trailer for the Detective Pikachu movie came out, I thought to myself, I could do a look inspired by Pikachu. Who doesn't love that cute little guy? That said though, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little taken back by the trailer itself. I know the whole point of Detective Pikachu is that he's actually this older man and he just appears to be cute and have a really cute voice, but like, it's weird hearing Ryan Reynolds be Pikachu, and I just don't know how I feel about it. You know what I mean? But don't come for me, please. I know that that's the whole point. I just don't know how I feel about it. I want to see the movie. I'm excited to see it, but I can't say that I will stand behind Ryan Reynolds' voice as Pikachu. I just can't guarantee that, you know? I'm going to take some concealer on a concealer brush and start to cut out the lid. And I'm going to wing it out. And it's okay if you messed up a little bit because we're going to go back in over that line for definition. But right now we are going to take the yellow shade from the palette and put that over where we just cut out. And I'm going in with a larger brush right now, but when we get up higher, I will go back in with a smaller detailed brush. Now taking a more detailed brush and just going over that line. And I'm gonna go into this deeper brown shade and just go over that line for definition. I'm gonna take this gold shimmery shade and put that on the inner part of the yellow. That's not looking too bad. I mean, obviously it could be a little bit cleaner, but it'll work for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the winged liner. For that, I would love to do like a bit of a lightning bolt, which obviously is something that I've never done before. But we're gonna try it out today. I'm taking the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel liner, and then a liner brush. And I'm just gonna go for it and try my very best. I think the important thing about doing any kind of liner is having a place to rest your elbow and just taking your time, especially with a gel liner. You can always build up the color. So just start with a little bit and then build it up. Now I'm going to take my NYC liquid liner for the inner part. It's good to go over this with a liquid eyeliner. It's easier to get those areas that need to be sharp really pointy. I feel like that just took 10 years off of my life. That was stressful. So I just went ahead and did the other eye off of camera and it's looking not too bad. I highly doubt that these match, but that's okay because most of the time winged liner doesn't match anyways. So just to make the edges a little bit more sharp and to make it a little bit easier for when I'm applying my foundation after this, I'm gonna take some concealer again on my concealer brush and I'm going to clean up underneath. So now that it's looking a little bit more clean, I'm gonna go ahead and take a black eyeliner and just tight line my eyes. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some falsies in my base and eyebrows off of camera. Then I'll be right back to finish off the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the lower lash line and I'm gonna go in with this more reddish brown shade because Pikachu has pretty rosy cheeks. I'm going to line again with the black. Now I'm gonna dip into this sleek highlighter palette and take this kind of yellowy gold shade and just place that on the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm also going to use that to just highlight my entire face. Now I'm gonna dip into my Hoola bronzer and just bronze up the skin. Now I'm gonna take this NARS blush and it is in the shade Exhibit A, and don't be scared. I know this looks really red, but I'm only gonna apply a teensy bit of it to the apples of my cheeks. Because like I said earlier, Pikachu has really rosy cheeks. I literally just dipped once into that and it was enough for both of my cheeks. I'm taking the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Witches. If I can get it open. Oh my god. Okay, so I couldn't get that one open, but luckily I have another black liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And I don't know, is this in the shade 24? Oh no, sorry, it's in the shade Alien. Now I'm gonna go back into the shimmery gold shade that I put on my lid. I'm just gonna dab that over my lip. Okay, so that is what the lips are looking like, and that's what the eyes are looking like. And overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Like, I would totally go to the grocery store and shop like this. This is like your everyday, natural, glam kind of look. No, I mean, obviously, this is not a very wearable, everyday look, but I really wanted to do something a little bit more fun and I wanted to play with some color. I've been loving yellow lately. I just thought this would be a really fun look to do, and yeah. I apologize right now because I know that the liner part of this video wasn't very instructional, but that is because I honestly had no idea what I was doing. It was pretty much trial and error, and obviously the two eyes don't look exactly the same, but I tried my very best, and honestly, I feel like when it comes to makeup, that is the best thing to do. And even if you make mistakes, at least you know for the next time what not to do or what to do instead. So yeah. If there's a look that you would like for me to create, please leave any suggestions in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.